and we have felicitated the MLAs who had won in the previous election or the recent election that was held in Meghalaya and in the state of Nagaland, and the previous year which was held in Manipur. As you're aware, the National People's Party is one of the 6 nationally recognized national parties in the country. The National People's Party is also the only national party from the region of the northeast part of India. It is also one of the only parties which is made up of the states which are from the northeast India. The National People's Party has been a party which was started by late PA Sangma ji, and based on his ideologies and his vision, we have moved the party forward. And today, with his guidance and his blessings, we have achieved the goal of becoming a national party in the country today. The National People's Party has always worked for the overall benefit and the overall upliftment of indigenous people in the state and in the country.